Okay.
Put your number back up again. Put your number back. She gotta clean this all up.
What happened to my
Put your
two?
number.
What? Oh.
Gotta put your number back under there so you can pick.
And if I want number two,
You can't pick two again.
another steak. Bad one. I got a bad one. You got a good one. And you just cheated, and I'm not dumb. Okay.
I got sprinkles.
This is not that bad. Oh my god! This is so dang good. It's just got a little bit too much salt in it. But it is so good. I'm gonna give that a thumbs up. I might as well just try this one.
I get this one too. A thumbs up.
I give these two all these. I don't try to 100 because we didn't record this part. But yeah, I tried this. But next the flavor what I hate. But we both have to do this one because it's the last.